I may be with you on Monday, the 4th of May. Stop. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. Stop. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. Stop. How do you like the new book? Stop. I think you were right to come away when you were feeling weary. Stop. I have had a talk with Beb and Duke, who were both at the party on Monday. Stop. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. Stop. If you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to know. Stop. I have a new camera which I should like to show you when I see you. Stop. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. Stop. Para. Why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? Stop. I thank you for the tube of color which I think should be all right. Stop. They deny they were at the tower at the time of the fire. Stop. I think you owe the head an apology for the way you hurried away on Monday. Stop. If he were aware of the date, he would, I think, have come with us. Stop. Kenneth Doyle, whose view all of us share, wrote to say he would arrive at 5. Stop. I think too much time was given to the topic. Stop. What do you think? Stop.